Alright guys, just making this quick video to kind of see what you guys would charge uh, in my situation here. So I'm setting up my little pop-up cones and I'm getting started. So this is a project my neighbor across the street asked me to basically just weed eat their garden. Just flatten the whole garden as they are getting ready to sell this house and put it on the market. I should also mention that these neighbors of mine have hired me to cut the grass and maintain the yard every 5 to 7 days. They recently moved to a nearby town and they are preparing to put this house on the market, like I said. So not only do I cut the grass, but I maintain the edging along the driveway, walkway, the curb, the sidewalk, all that. I mow the grass, trim all around the house, and all around any obstacles, which this house, there's quite a few obstacles on this property. And I blow everything clean just like a regular old lawn service. And I did offer them a very reasonable price to do all this stuff and maintain this because, one, it's convenient for me. It's right across the street from my house. Two, I want to be a good neighbor, and that's what we do, right, guys? I mean, that's what we do. We want houses close to where we live, and we want to do a good job to make sure the houses across the street, next door, look as nice as they possibly can. Because not only is that a reflection of us and our business, but it's a reflection of our community, right? So I'm making this video to ask you guys, if you were in my position, what would you charge to do this garden cleanup? I pulled out some plants by hand. I did some weed trimming on the outside, the inside. I mowed over it twice. Stuck all the plants in a trash can, hauled it out to the street. The total job took me about an hour and 15 minutes, give or take. And I charged an additional $40 to do this garden cleanup. The base price that I charge for this particular yard is $60 for the lawn service. This yard is slightly less than a quarter of an acre. And so far I've been doing it every week. It takes me about 2 hours to finish the yard completely, mainly because of how meticulous I am, and I'm quite the perfectionist. I'm sure a lot of you guys, are in the same boat. You can't leave something just half-assed. You got to do it properly. You got to do it right. And I'm not in any hurry. I do this part-time, 2 or 3 days a week. I work full-time doing security, so I'm not trying to bust out 20, 30 yards a day like some of these guys are. It's just the way I do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video.